Ever wondered how to whip up that mouth-watering biryani without breaking a sweat? Let's do it! Alright, let's get started with the basics. First, marinate about a pound of chicken pieces with plain yogurt, a squeeze of lemon, some ginger garlic paste, salt and classic biryani spices. Think cumin, turmeric, garam masala, and chili powder. Mix well, then let it hang out for at least 30 minutes. Longer is better. While that's soaking up the flavor, rinse a cup and a half of basmati rice until the water runs clear. Soak it for 20 minutes, then cook it until it's about 70% done. Trust me, you don't want mushy rice. Now, heat some oil or ghee in a big pot. Toss in sliced onions and cook until golden and crispy. This is key for that sweet, smoky flavor. Scoop half out for garnish later. Add your marinated chicken to the pot with the remaining onions. Sauté until the chicken is sealed and smells incredible. Layer on your par-cooked rice, sprinkle in some saffron milk or a splash of turmeric water for color, and top it all with those crispy onions, a few mint and cilantro leaves, and a drizzle of ghee. Cover the pot tightly. Foil works if your lid isn't snug, and let it all steam on low heat for about 20 minutes. No peeking. Ready? Fluff up your biryani, serve it with raita, and dig in. You just made an Indian classic, and it's easier than you thought. Don't forget to share your delicious results in the comments below.